everyone, welcome to my studio. I am Marie, and as you probably noticed, I haven't been on the YouTube for a few weeks. There is a reason for it though. I was improving my studio, and I can't wait to show you. So, next week I will restart making the watercolors and making cards and the quilting. So I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. That will help me a lot with the channel. Many more subscribers and thumbs up and all that stuff I get, I can do more in this channel. So help me out and give me a thumbs up and subscribe so I can do much more. So come on, I'll show you. All right, so I'm gonna start with this corner. This is where I put my quilting blocks, and I have my plants, my printers, some paper boxes, and in my little aquarium. And then I have my desk. There is where I make my art videos are here, and I have my plates for palettes. And believe it or not, I go to thrift stores with secondhand stuff, so for very cheap, like 25 cents or stuff like that. And any plate that I see, they're white and they have like wells, or that's what I use. I just buy them and I just use them as palettes. And I got these three last week, I think for 25 cents each or something like that. This one was probably cheaper than that. So yeah, that's a tip for you. And I have my markers here and my knickknacks. I love them. And I sit by a window, and my brushes, my lamp, and this is out of place. And yeah, I love my desk. I have my IKEA stuff. And I have here books and notebooks. I love books. And I have a lot of reading books, art books, craft books, whatever books that I like. And this is me in 1998, and it's from Paris, Montmartre or something like that. Yep, I love that. And this is random stuff. And look at this clock. I love it. I love it. So, and I hang these thingies with these are Ecolines liquid watercolor, and I think I want some Dr. Martens also, but I have to wait for that because I spent a lot in this room already. So, and this is just nail stuff, and these are inks for my dip pens, and I have another one, and these are for my boards for my watercolors when I tape them down. This one I'm making, and it's not ready yet, so I have like this little paper on top so it doesn't get ruined. And this
This door, I painted it with metallic paint. So now I can just stick my art on the door with these magnets. So it is like, oh, these magnets, and they just stick. Isn't that awesome? So I can put art on there and like for the whole year, and then I don't know, put them in boxes afterwards or something. But there is room. And those are just postcards that I have like for ages, and I like the colors, so why not? Then this is the other corner of the room that is where I film my quilting and my sewing stuff. So yes, all of these things, all of these ones are with fabrics by color or theme. There are more books over there that are art or makeup or photography, and also quilting. I have those. So those are my quilting stuff, and this is what I'm working on right now. Oops, this is for next week's, for the next week quilting. And yeah, and that thing is just how you call it, recycle stuff that I want to recycle. And yeah, here is where my phone is, where I am on the machine for filming. My husband made this arm for me so I can film better. And all of this my hubby has done for me, all these arms and those arms, and he's put that on the ceiling, and yeah, he's pretty handy. And he made this also for me. Oh, I still have to paint this side, but he made this for me so I could put my plates. So it's pretty handy. And actually he made all these desks for me too. So like this, but this is from IKEA, of course, but like the desks. And he made this also for me, for my inks and dyes for my oxides and stuff. He made that also for me. He made this also for me. Oh my god, he made a lot of stuff. Didn't realize because that's like years making them stuff for me. This I had first, I had this one that I have here. This is also something like that, but it was too small, so he made me this huge one that I can put all my rulers in and other stuff. I like putting cards and stuff too. So here is all the messy thingies, you know, the all stuff that we need. So, and more and more. This over here are scraps and how you call that, fuses and stuff like that that you don't use every day. That's what is there. And also here are a lot of swaps fabrics that's like 10 by 10 or something like that. Yeah, and oh, and this thing, something else he made. This thing he made me also um for my threads, and he made also two more for another friends of mine. So yeah, so this is the corner, and of course this here is all stamps and stuff for card making is what I have here. And of course the dyes and the oxides and everything, and the cutters and the whatnot for card making. That's over here. And I have, of course, a lot of stuff here also that is for card making and stuff. So yeah. And I have over there the Misty and stuff, and the 1, 2, 3 punch board and score, how you call that, score body. Yes. So yeah, that is the room. And I have here, I also have here I have stuff that is also for jewelry making. And here I have also, and I have some how you call this, oh goodness, how you call that, I have a lot of them. Oh god, this is not it. Oh, there's some papers. Oh wow, that's nice. Let me see how you call that. It is also for jewelry. Oh, here, I can see that. What is it? I haven't done this for so long. Oh, Fimo. This modeling clay. Yeah, I have a lot of those too. I used to make like jewelry with like cupcakes or hamburgers or ice creams or I don't know, waffles and stuff like that, and it was so much fun. If you guys would like me to do that also on my art channel, I would glad to. I haven't done that for a very, very long while. And I also have this here that I am debating and taking down or not. This is all cake decorating stuff. I used to do that too, and I like it, but my kids are grown now, and I made for our anniversary or for the kids birthdays and stuff, I used to make beautiful cakes, but now they're grown and they don't really care about that. And I did make a wedding cake for my brother. It was like, I didn't want to do it and it was so much stress, but I did it and it was so beautiful. And but I haven't done, and all of this is for sugar flowers. I do love making those sugar flowers. Like, I don't have any here because I used to have some roses, but you know, they get old, and in a few years they don't look nice anymore and they just get thrown away. But it was so beautiful and I love it. So I don't know, maybe I can use those with the Fimo or with other clays, or I don't know. If you have any idea, just let me know what I can do. But as you know, I do a lot of stuff, and these are with markers. I take classes from kitten clouder for the markers, how to color with markers, and she's so awesome, and I have learned so much from her. Yes, and I use comics. So yes, as you can see, I like to make a lot of stuff. I hope I'm not you don't get a lot of, I hope you don't get dizzy me moving so much. But if you would like to see something else and not only watercolor and card making, just let me know. And or I mean, this other channel is for the quilting. That's the Quilted Kitchen, my main channel actually. And this art channel is of course very new, and that's why I need the people's help so I can grow and at least have 1,000, because if you have 1,000 subscribers, then you can start earning some cash so I can invest and do more, you know. So now is everything out of own pockets, and yeah, it can get a little bit expensive, but I like to do it, so why not put it on YouTube, right? And I am not that good yet, and my, I don't know, my accent maybe people don't like, or I speak too softly and people don't hear me well, and that can be something that people don't like, or maybe I'm just boring. Probably is that it. But yeah, I actually am thinking of buying a microphone for on my clothing, you know, those clips, so I don't have different sounds, because when I record with one camera and I go to the other one, the sound is just different, and sometimes I don't like it, but that's what I have, and I mean, I do with what I have the best that I can. So yeah, this is going too long. So I hope that you like the video and help me out. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. And yes, I am a very happy with my beautiful room. See you. Bye bye.